Two of the biggest names in AI video. One showdown. Which platform truly leads in 2025? On the left, Heygen, fast, creative AI video with unmatched avatar flexibility. And on the right, Synthesia, enterprise-grade AI video trusted by the world's top teams. Let's skip the buzzwords and dive into what actually matters. Each category racks up points, and by the end, you'll know exactly which tool takes the crown. The winner might just surprise you. Okay, before we jump in, here's what we're actually comparing today. We're going to break it down by pricing, avatars and personalization, language and voice support, video creation tools and templates, collaboration and enterprise features, AI and advanced features, and ease of use. If you're already wondering which feature matters the most for you, well, this mind map should help. Let's kick things off with pricing, because, come on, who isn't checking their wallet before subscribing? So Heygen does have a free plan. Love that. And their prices are super transparent. But here's the catch. The basic paid tier starts at $24 a month, which, yeah, is a bit higher than Synthesia. And custom avatars? It's pretty accessible at $199 a year. Now, flipping over to Synthesia, you also get a free plan, and their lowest paid tier is $18 a month. So that's easier on the budget if you're starting out. Predictable, team-friendly billing is nice, but if you want custom avatars, get ready. It's a whopping $1,000 a year, which kind of matches Heygen's top pro option. So for most folks, Synthesia pretty much wins on pricing. Let's talk about avatars. Because, honestly, the whole point of AI video is cool avatars, right? Heygen has over 120 different avatars, covering a wild range of ages, looks, and styles. There's photo avatar support, like you can make a talking photo and build an avatar from just a photo. That's nuts. They've also got this avatar light from $199 a year, and you can switch between different view modes, like close-up, half-body, circle. Oh, and face swap, if you're into experimenting. But yeah, some of those fancy features need extra cash. Synthesia, they bring 100-plus high-quality avatars too, with some advanced expressiveness and emotional adaptation, which is actually pretty slick. It handles full body and circle view modes, but you can't do photo avatars here, and you've got fewer view choices than Heygen. So if you love playing with looks and options, Heygen is the clear winner for avatars and personalization. All right, next up, language and voice support. This is huge if you're doing global stuff or just want more voices. Heygen blows the doors off here. 175 languages, 340 accents. You can upload or clone voices and tweak speed or pitch. Seriously. Plus, it'll auto-translate and even add captions powered by AI. Synthesia's no slouch. They support 120-plus languages and 130 accents. You can upload and clone voices, and there's that multilingual player and DeepL translation. But if you need tons of accents or language variety, Heygen absolutely takes this round. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Synthesia's avatars are trusted by more than half of the Fortune 100? That's pretty insane. Meanwhile, Heygen's face swap and rapid video generation make it a cult favorite among individual creators and YouTubers. It's like enterprise meets creative playground. Let's move to video creation tools and templates. Heygen's got a template library with over 300 options. It's massive. You want images, shapes, stickers, music? It's all here. There's a screen recorder. You can upload from PowerPoint, PDF, even make a video from a URL. Animations, transitions, custom aspect ratios, the works. But yeah, if you want to go really advanced, there's a learning curve. Synthesia does the basics well. About 55 templates, solid element library, screen recording, PPT uploads. But obviously that's way fewer templates, and not much in the way of advanced animation. So Heygen's toolkit is just bigger and more flexible. Heygen wins here. Now, what about collaboration and enterprise features? If you're solo, this might not matter. For teams, it's huge. Heygen gives you workspaces and team accounts. It's decent. But honestly, Synthesia is built for teams. Real-time and async video co-editing, comments, version control, custom workspaces, user roles. They boast over 50,000 companies, and get this, over 60% of Fortune 100 use Synthesia. Plus, top-notch security like SOC 2, GDPR, ISO 42001, so IT folks love them. Sure, all this might be overkill if it's just you, but for any serious business, Synthesia totally dominates this category. Ready for some AI magic? AI and advanced features. Heygen's lip sync is seriously good. With text-to-speech and AI script generation via ChatGPT, you can fine-tune voices and elements, do face swap, switch aspect ratios. But heads up, no multi-scene auto-generation. Synthesia, their avatars can adapt emotions, which is honestly kinda wild. You get a personal avatar builder and can manage advanced scenes. But nope, there's no face swap or photo avatar. So both pack unique strengths. but none is a total knockout. I'd actually call this one a tie. Let's wrap up with ease of use. Heygen is simple, intuitive, and you can make a video in minutes, even if you're new to all this. Perfect if you hate fiddling around. Some power users might want deeper control, though. Synthesia has a super polished interface, especially if you're working with a team, and you can do plenty of advanced stuff, but it's got a slightly higher learning curve for newbies. So honestly, if you want quick, easy videos, Heygen is a little friendlier. Okay, so here's how these two stack up side by side. Heygen crushes it in avatars, language, templates, and ease of use. Basically everything you need for fast, creative videos. Synthesia, though, it's unbeatable for teams, collaboration, and business-grade reliability. Pricing tilts to Synthesia for starters, but avatar experimentation and cool factor, that goes to Heygen. You know what? If you want speed, flexibility, and you just love tinkering with avatars, Heygen is your best bet. But if your priority is teaming up, advanced collaboration, or pitching to enterprise clients, Synthesia is where you need to be. For solo creators and creative YouTubers, Heygen's strengths really shine. For companies and larger teams, Synthesia's security and workflow tools are hard to pass up. So, there's no clear winner for everyone, but depending on your workflow and budget, it's actually pretty obvious which one you'll vibe with. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.